Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. So, my name is Nur Alia binti Muhammad Nazri. So, I would like to present about my system, which is FoodSetGo. So, I give name of my system as a FoodSetGo because of the food is when the food is ordered by the customer, it was named as a set, and when the food is sent to the customer by the staff, so it will name as a go. So FoodSetGo is it is an online food ordering web-based system for a cafe, and this system is to make users for the users to make food ordering, and users can choose type of services that they want, such as dine-in, takeaway, or delivery, and users also can reserve a table for a reservation. So the problem statement is there are three problem statements, which is the first one is difficulties in updating menu card and food information. The second one is difficulties in tracking the food menu, and the third one is difficulties in making a reservation. So to to overcome the problem statement, there is an objective that have been made, which is the first one is to design a user-friendly system that provides latest information to the users. Second one is to develop a convenient system that user can make an order easily, and lastly is to develop a convenient system that users can make a reservation table. And then the scope that I have in my system is three, which is the first one is admin, second one is staffs, and third one is users. So in admin there are administration module, dashboard submodule, staff availability submodule, register user submodule, menu submodule, sales submodules, and also staff submodules. For the staff, there are two type of staff. There are two roles of staff, which is waiter and also chef. So in waiter's page, there are waiter module, and then have waiter dashboard submodule, and also order submodules. While in the chef, there are three modules, which is the first one is chef modules, second one is chef dashboard submodules, and the lastly is kitchen submodules. Okay, for the user is have user module, menu submodule, order submodule, reservation submodule, tracking submodules, and also payment submodules. So project significant that in this system is to allow user to easily place orders at the cafe. Also, it helps users and admin to use the to it helps users and admin. It helps users because of users can take their order easily, and also can make a reservation efficiently. For it helps admin because of admin can store all the data in a efficient way, and also they admin can to review back all the data that have been saved. Okay, so the planning for PSM2 is I would like to develop a mobile application. So now I will show the system. Okay, so this is the homepage of the FoodSetGo, which is here. Welcome to FoodSetGo. So in the homepage, user can look all what they have in here, and if the user click on the menu button, it will show all the menu they have in the cafe. And if the user click on the about button, it will show to the users about the history of the cafe. And then if you user click on the reservation button, it will go to the reservation page. If the user does not log in into the system yet, but they want to make a reservation, so book a table. So it will shows that to the user, please log in to book. Okay, so users need to log in into the system to make a reservation table. Okay, and now we are in a login page. If the user does not have an account yet, so the user need to sign up here. Okay, so the username is Aulia, address name is aulia@gmail.com, and then the phone number is 01824. Okay, so the password is ABCD 1234. If the password I made is ABCD is, if the confirm password and the password is does not match, it will shows to you that passwords does not match. So ABCD 1234. Okay, sign up. So it will show that registration success. Please log in. Okay. Okay. If you want to register for another account but using a different username with the what we call with the same email address and different phone number, it will show that it will show that email already exists. Okay. Okay. For another one, use the different what we call, use the different username, but the email does not have any alias. So it will show that please include alias in the email address. Okay, so now we already have the account, so we can log in into the system. Okay, so it will show to the users the homepage of the FoodSetGo. Okay, this is the homepage of the FoodSetGo, and if the user click on the menu button, user can see all the menus they have in the cafe. If the user click on all buttons, so it will show all the menus. If the user click on the dessert button, it will show all the desserts only, which have been sorted out to make easier for the user. And if the user want to make an order, so user need to click on the order button, and it will directly go to the order page. So user need to click on the add to cart, so it will show the added to cart. Okay, add to cart, and then add to cart, also add to cart, and lastly is this one. Okay, so there are 4 items that have been added to cart. So when user have already done all the added to cart, which food that they want, and they want to see back what have they add to cart, so they need to go to the cart page. So this page, it will show all the what we call, all the items that they already added to cart. So user need to put the quantity that they want here. Okay, so this will show the price of the the price based on the quantity of the item that they has already bought. And if user does not want to buy that item, user need to click on the remove button, so the quantity will be automatically will be 0 and will not be on the cart. And then user need to choose which one this type of service that they want. Either they want as a dine-in or takeaway or delivery. So if the user want to the dine-in, here user can know the total price of the item that they already buy. So if user want to add another item, so user just need to click on the continue shopping. If not, user just click on the make purchase. So in here it will show all the item that have bought to make the confirmation of the ordering. If all the item that have already or that if the item that has been ordered is in this list, so user need to put the account the card number to make a payment. Need to fill this payment field. So user will put okay. Here user need to put the card expired date. So the expired would be 11/02. And here is the CVC code of the card holder. So user need to click on the pay button and it will shows the payment is success. Okay, and it will show you all the receipt that you have been the receipt that you have been bought. Okay, if user want to look to their profile, so user need to go to the profile page, and in this profile there are the username of the users, phone number, email. So here if the user want to change their username, they cannot change their username, and also email, they cannot change their username and email. But if the user want to change their phone number, they can change their phone number, which is okay. So update. So there are you really want to update your profile, and user will click on okay, then the profile have been already updated. So profile have been updated. If user want to change the profile picture of their page, their what we call their image, so user can update their image and then change. And then are you really want to change your profile picture? And then if the user click yes, then profile picture is already updated and the profile have been updated. So user also can go to the history where user can check their what we call their order, what they have been ordered. in as an admin into this system. Okay. Okay, so when the admin already log in into the system, it will directly go to the dashboard, and in this dashboard, admin can see the total order, and then can see how many users that make a food make a delivery, and then take away and also dine in, uh, uh, and admin can see how many users that do the reservation, and also the total user that registered in this that have an registered account. So when user click on this will dine in, so it will show the graph of the food that have users have ordered. This one for the blueberry cheesecake, and then red velvet just only for the month of July, and then carrot cake there is none of them. With ice cream also none, and then pudding caramel just only on July, and then drink both have 400 plus. Oh, I'm so sorry, 400 plus. There are both in June and July, and then for mineral water only for month of July, and then ice lemon tea there is no ice lemon tea, no orange juice, and watermelon also no, and then there is no for hot chocolate. Okay, that one is for the dashboard. For the dashboard graph for the dine in. So when admin click on the staff availability, so admin can see which staff that what we call online their system. For example, for example uh, when the waiter is logged in into their page, so admin can see that the waiter status is online. If the chef is not on their system, so the chef will be offline here. Okay. Okay, so and then in staff availability also, the admin can see the current order list, also the status of the what we call the status of the this one what we call it, a status of the food that have been completed or being cooked or whatsoever. And then when admin click on the register user, there is a few of listed user, and then when admin click on the arrow, it will go to the user detail, which is it will shows to the admin the username, the email address, phone number, and then when also the order number. When the admin click on this order number, it will automatically shows what have been ordered by the user here that we have been ordered just now. Okay, then when admin add this menu, there is a list a few that admin can add, update, and also delete. So for example, when admin want to add a new category, which is pasta. Okay, so add. Okay, category added. Then there is a new category, pasta. So admin want to add another. Admin want to add food. Want to add aglio olio. And then for example, the price is 10 ringgit. Okay, added. So menu added. Okay, there is aglio olio. If the user want to edit anything in this model, for example, you want to edit the price would be 11 ringgit 90 cent. So it will be edit, and then menu is updated. So the menu will be 11 ringgit 90 cent. Okay, for example, if the admin want to delete the menu, so it will delete. So the food has been deleted. So just now we just delete the 100 plus water. Okay, and then admin can look at the sale. For today there is only 43 ringgit 34 cent, which that has just now been ordered by the new account user. And then this one is for this month total. And then this one also admin can see the order number, the date, the category, time, and then the food that have been registered, and then the status of the food, and then the total of the food. And then this one is a staff. This one is admin can delete the stuff. Also admin can add a new stuff. So for example, admin want to add a new stuff. So the name of the stuff is Naura, and then the email is nauraaulia@gmail.com, and then the phone number would be 1017. Okay, and then admin will choose either it is a chef or a waiter. So for example, it is a waiter. So and then submit, and then staff added. Okay, there is a new staff here, which is Naura. Okay, if the admin want to change from the waiter to staff, so it just change the role here. And if the admin want to delete this what we call this staff, so admin just click on this button, and then do you really want to delete this stuff, and then select OK. Stuff have been deleted, so there is no Naura stuff. Okay, so and then admin will log out. Okay, that's all for. Okay, now when I want to log in as a waiter. Okay, as soon as we log in, we will directly to the dashboard. In this dashboard, waiter can see the staff panel and view this order item that has been ordered by the user. And then when the user already ordered in by the using the system, so the waiter will assign a table for the user. So it will assign to table 5. If the table is not available, so there is no table like table 3, there is not available, so there is no table 3 to be that can be assigned to. So I want to assign in table 5. So assign. So table assign. Okay, so in a table 5. Okay. And then when waiter go to the order, uh, the this one is for the order management. Okay. Just now waiter already assigned a table for the user that ordered their food. So now I log in into the chef page, so it will directly go to the dashboard of the chef, and then chef also can view the ordered item. And then when the chef open the at the kitchen here, so there is an order here, which is blueberry cheesecake, red velvet, mineral water, and pudding caramel. And then the status is confirm order. When the user already pay and the waiter already assign a table, so it will automatically confirm the order. And then chef will click on here, cook food, which is order taken. Okay, then that was then and then we log in into the waiter, and we log into the waiter. Look, the food is being cooked. Then complete cooking. When the chef already have already done the cooking, so the chef will push the notification to the waiter, and then click OK, and then the waiter will get the notification from the chef to take the order that have been done cook. So take order, and then it will send to table 5. So it will send to table 5. So order been sent. Then after that if already sent, right? Okay, then after that when the customer already finish eat their food, and then what waiter want to clear their table and to notify to others waiter that the table need to be clear. So after the table have been clear, so the waiter will click on the clear table, and then it will show that table clear, and then the table will be clear, and there is no other ordered ID here. Okay, that's all for the dine-in part. Okay, now sorry. Okay, now just now I already finished for the dine-in. Now for the delivery part. The delivery part, I want to choose iced lemon tea. I want to choose what else? aglio olio. This aglio olio that have been added by the admin, and then the 100 plus already gone because of admin have been delete that one. And then I want chocolate cake. Okay, so we will go here, card quantity. This one is 2, this one is 3, 4 and 1. Okay, for the delivery, okay, make purchase, and then user need to put their location where to be delivered. Okay, street number, Jalan Impian Putra, postcode area. Okay, okay, so submit, and then it will show the same thing just now for the ordering, and then put the card number, okay, and then the month and also the year, and the CV card number, then pay, and then payment is success. Okay, so it is for the delivery. So here user can see for the tracking here, already done the order, and then the order is being processed, and then log out. And now we will log in as a chef. So chef will get this delivery, and then chef will click on the cook food, and then the order is being taken, and then wait. When the chef click on the cook food list, and then it will automatically show in the user's account tracking that the food is being cooked. When the food is complete cook, and then it will show that the food is on delivery. Once the item have already sent in front of their house, it will shows delivered, where it will show delivered. Okay, that one for the delivery. For the reservation, okay, for the reservation, for example, user want to reserve a table for some occasion, so need to reserve a table on 11 July at 2:30 for 2 people, which is for the anniversary. Okay, then book a table, and then this one, it will show all the list of the food that has been added in the menu list, and then user just need to assign how many food that they want, like what food that they want and the quantity of the food, and then user just need to after the user have already made that for the reservation of food, so user can make a purchase, and then before they want to pay, there is a form, some kind like a receipt form for the user to check their items properly, and then if the item have been checked properly and is done, so the user can click on the confirm button, here and put the card number. And then the expired date. And then the CVC code. And then the reservation is success. So it will show you the receipt of confirmation booking, and when the user want to go to the cafe on this date, on that time, so user just need to bring along their this booking this confirmation booking table. And that's all from me, and thank you.